Hi, welcome to delayreacttrade.com. Profit live from trading on Betfair YouTube account. Well, the weekend's with us again. How did we get on last weekend? Well, lots of green. So let's take a look. So in this video, we're looking at last week's winners. Solid live chat webinar sessions. I do live chat every Saturday and Sunday for DRT members. You get to have a look, get all of the trading options, get all of the key in-play stats, pre-match stats, and everything else. Green screens galore. It's been going like that for a few weekends now. Weekends, of course, where you're going to get most of your football. This is where you're going to make most of your profit. So let's start off in the Danish First Division. It's not the finest advert for football in the world, but this match between Hobro and Hovedovre, well, it turned out a £31 green screen. So not too shabby to start off the session. Moving on, you can see in this Karlsruhe v Hamburger Bundesliga 1 match, Bundesliga 2, I think it's called. Hamburg are second in the league. Put this into context. They are a Bundesliga giant stuck in the second tier. This is their chance to get back into the Bundesliga. Well, 3-0 loss is not going to help matters, is it, by half time? But that single goal saw a marked improvement in the odds. You get out there now with a £33 green screen. But as ever, we've got to look at that liability, £54. That's not been scratched off yet. Yes, the draw, 221 quid, 1,593 on Hamburg if they win. But you've got that £54 loss, which is hanging over you if you don't take action now. Now, there are a number of options at exit. You could look at the amount of time left. Do you think that Hamburg, second in the league, can score a second? And these will increase markedly. If they get to 3-3, you're in clover. But if this remains 3-1, or if Karlsruhe score a fourth, then that profit will dissipate. So if you're a starting trader, I would recommend you taking your green, a bit like this, £35 green screen. Now it's no longer a worry, is it? That £54 liability, no need to worry, Mr. Mannering. This is the Danish Superliga. Just a marginal £20 green screen here, but we had 63 quid free bet on Horsens if they were to win. But we get out there with a decent enough 20 relative to the amount of money put at risk as well. It's never normally over £40 for the live chat webinars. £31 green screen here. Hovedovre, this is the match we looked at earlier. Got it mixed up with the match odds, so just duplicating this one. But this is a specialist +1 market. It's a market I like to use for trading. It can offer you what I call an insurance play. But I'm not going to give away my secrets for free on YouTube. £22 green screen here. Well, it's not a green screen. That's the lowest amount we could have made out of this match. Mallorca have been in excellent home form. Hence, I thought I'd load up. It's a juicy 278 quid profit on them. But at all stages, not have that loss in sight. Worst case scenario, 22 quid. I'll take that. Oh dear, a £2.40 loss. Quick, call the cops, have a whip round. How am I going to cope with this? At DRT, we love the old speculative punt, and the speculative punts mostly come at the end of matches. The liability is low, the upside maximal. So it wasn't to be at this time, but if you don't buy a ticket, you can't win the prize. So let's move on to Austria. The Austrian Bundesliga can always come up with a decent trade or two. Rapid Vienna, one of the big guns there. This was the match odds market. A nice, simple play there. As you can see, 90 quid on the draw. If you fancied the draw, which I did, but I come out of it with a 30 quid green screen, so no harm done. Loading up profit on a fancy side. Well, it's not the hugest profit in the world, but This is what I call drip backing and drip laying. So I didn't quite get as much on as I wanted to, but a 4p minimal profit. Again, you're not losing anything. There is nothing at risk at this stage. The best you can do is the highest amount, £19.87, which we got. Yellow, red Mechelen become all green Mechelen in the Belgian Jupiler League. 35 quid, 35 quid, 40 quid on the draw. Nice work from yellow, red Mechelen. We go everywhere. That's the green screens for last weekend. Can we replicate it this weekend? Well, you'll find out at the YouTube channel, Profit Live from Trading on Betfair. Got instructional videos there for you. Green screen proof videos, making money consistently out of the football markets on Betfair. So if you like this video, well, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profit Live from Trading on Betfair YouTube channel. Green screens galore there. We won't always win. Losses, though, are always controlled. Green screen videos will show you time and time and time again we're making profit after profit after profit. Yes, we'll make some losses along the way, but as you can see, the sheer volume of green screens will negate the occasional losses. We're always a little risk averse here at delayreacttrade.com as well. So we're looking to keep our liability low and our profits high. Thanks for watching.